In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set business hours in Intercom. Clear business hours help your customers know when a real person is available and make sure your team's workload aligns with your schedule. Let's walk through it together, step by step, and I'll share a few tips along the way. Start by going to Settings. In Intercom, you'll find the Settings gear in the sidebar, typically near the lower left. Click it to open the admin area where you manage how your workspace behaves. Next, click Workspace. This section holds the account-wide preferences that affect everyone on your team, so it's the right place for availability rules like business hours. If you don't see it, you may need admin permissions from whoever manages your account. Now, select office hours. This page is dedicated to the schedule your workspace follows. Setting it up ensures your messenger, routing, and response expectations reflect when your team is actively online rather than on breaks or after hours. Click the plus Add Hours button to create a new schedule block. You'll be able to define which days it applies to, as well as the start and end time. Choose the days first. You can select Monday through Sunday to cover the whole week, or pick specific days if your team works a limited schedule. Many teams set one block for weekdays and another for weekends, so think about the pattern that matches your coverage. Set the start time and end time for the period your team is available. Use the format shown in your workspace, whether that's 12-hour with AM and PM or 24-hour time. If your team takes a midday break or runs split shifts, you can create additional blocks that cover each active window so customers aren't promised instant replies when no one's online. Keep in mind that availability is interpreted in your workspace time zone, so confirm it aligns with where your team operates. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new business hours are now active, and Intercom will use them to communicate availability and to inform any workflows or SLAs that depend on your open times. If you ever need to adjust the schedule, say during seasonal changes or expanded coverage, return to this same page and update the existing blocks to keep things accurate. That's it. You've set up business hours in Intercom, making expectations clearer for customers and easier for your team to manage.